Welcome back to Star Flames TV, the channel for all your juicy scoops, trending topics, social media discussion, chit-chats, celebrity red carpet moments, and behind the scenes. I'm your girl, Star Flames, and in this video, I'm going to talk about exactly as I told you all, Tony Buzbee, he has been denied any rights to practice in the Southern District of New York. Now, according to reports coming out from Megan Cuniff, the ruling came after the Committee of Grievances for the Southern District of New York, which investigates complaints of attorney misconduct. They have ruled out against Tony Buzbee. Now they're saying Buzbee failed to ask for permission to practice in the district before submitting for admission on January 29th, 2025. He reportedly did so recently because his negligence was pointed out in a lawsuit accusing Jay-Z and Diddy of sexual assault. Buzbee was subsequently denied the ability to practice. Now, do you guys remember when he brought on those two other attorneys and I said to you guys, one was to represent him and the other was to represent Jane Doe because he's not barred to practice in that courtroom that he filed the lawsuit and that he has been filing the lawsuits in. And he did this so as to avoid sanctions or any other penalties against him because the lawsuits that he has been filing for the most part, they are frivolous. No. They're saying that the judge in this particular lawsuit, McCreary versus Combs, ordered Buzbee to apply. So it was a lawsuit that he filed against Diddy that triggered this. So it was another attorney. It's not, even though Alex Spiro had pointed this out before, it was another attorney that brought Buzbee in front of the Committee of Grievances. So he said, you know what? Do you all know that this man has been filing numerous lawsuits back to back in a county that is not licensed to practice? And as such, they're saying that Buzbee had to apply for the pro-advice admission after she figured out what was going on with him. And the court has informed Buzbee that is not admitted to practice in the Southern District of New York. So after his application, he got denied. They're saying, you know, they've listed quite a few counties that he's not able to practice in. Now, this means the trial lawyer will have to include the denial letter every time he requests permission to litigate in the district. At this point, it is unknown what will happen to the lawsuit against Diddy. So the bulk of lawsuits that he has filed against Diddy, chances are those are ruined and the accusers may have to refile again. Now, as you know, earlier this month, Buzbee voluntarily dismissed the sexual assault case he brought against Diddy and Jay-Z. The lawsuit alleged, you know, as you guys know, the two had allegedly assaulted a 13-year-old back in 2000. Following the dismissal of the lawsuit, you guys know that Roc Nation declared their victory and they called it, you know, frivolous lawsuits and said they cannot even get over the fact that a court allowed this lawsuit to be filed. And as such, Jay-Z is now suing Buzbee for over $20 million. He's claiming over $20 million in damages. Now, a lot is going on with Tony Buzbee. It is not yet over as yet for him because there are so many grievances in this case. So I guess you guys are going to have to stay tuned to see how the court decides they're going to pivot as it relates to Buzbee and the lawsuits that he has filed against Sean Diddy Combs and how this will affect his future and his career in law. Very interesting moment in, I have to say, the lawsuits against Diddy. But I want to hear from you guys. What's your take? While you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up, share, stay safe, and see you all in the comment section. Peace.